Besides all these discussed topic, there can be some other type of general questions also. For example, if in this question you have been given y is equals to this much and you have to prove that x differentiation of y with respect to x minus 3y is equals to 0. If I have to prove this to be equal to 0, of course I will require this also, dy upon dx. Now you all know this is the sign of differentiation. So here if I take the differentiation, it will be dy upon dx. We are taking the differentiation of y with respect to x. It will be d upon dx of ax cube. Now taking the differentiation, we know that this power will come further. This will be 3ax square. So this is the answer of dy upon dx. So now putting this value in this given equation, x is here into dy upon dx, we have solved. It is 3ax square minus 3y. What was y? This. Ax cube is equals to 0. So if we open it, it is 3ax cube. This is also 3ax cube. Of course, it will be coming out to be 0. So it has been proved what was asked in the question. Now in this question you have been given, this is the function, we may call it y, and it has been given that value of x is 2. So wherever x has been given, the value is 2 and you have to evaluate this function. So now if this is our y, if we take the differentiation of this function x, taking the differentiation, this portion will be coming 16x power 3 minus 3x square, 9x square. This 3 will come forward, it will be 9x square, plus this will be 4x minus 1. So we got this after taking differentiation, and differentiation of 1 will be 0. So now if we put the values that has been given, that are x is 2. So wherever x has been given, we will put the value to be 2. It will be 2 square plus 4 2 minus 1. So it will be 8. 2 cube will be 8 into 16 is 128 minus 4 into 9 will be 36. This will be 8 and minus 1. So solving this, you will get 99. So if x is 2, so this function's value is 99.